So what's up guys, welcome to today's video. It's a cool, 32 degrees-ish here at the shop. We got a ton of stuff going on. We're finishing up some intercooler piping for a client's Turbo Cobalt. We're finally finalizing the 34 GTT. That should be ready to go today, tomorrow, but right away. Also, we're gonna start working on this CYM FD RX7 and get that ready to go very shortly, and then hopefully dyno tune it and take it on the road and drive it. So yeah, stay tuned for that, boys. What do you
900 wheel?
Wow. What do you hit?
So this guy, he's making roughly around 900 wheel stock intercooler piping, and
stock injectors, stock
ECU.
Wow, these Cobalts are insane.
Yeah, really insane. He's running some 295s up front wheel drive. That's what I'm talking about. Absolutely nuts. So he was on the highway, split it. He tuck taped it, split it again. Tuck tape is not good for 43 pounds of boost, we found out.
No, 30 pounds is fine. You go for 40.
Yeah, it's rated for 30 pounds.
So what do we do?
So we did this, get this guy to pop the hood.
Put an RB in it. What?
I know, right? 1200 horsepower now.
With that little thing?
Bam.
Yo, it's a rave now?
R34 bumper here needs to fit some intercooler piping. Not sure how rare the bumper is, but still doesn't feel that great. Oh, that sucks. I didn't want to trim that.
What are you trimming?
Well, we already trimmed one of the vents, but now it looks like we're trimming another one.
It fits! Would you look at that? That still doesn't quite fit. Never mind. Hold up.
Many hours later.
It clears.
Hey, good job.
It finally clears. Yeah. 12 hours later.
Did you see that?
Nice. Things and stuff.
What's that?
So we just got our intercooler piping all welded up here, and now I'm just going to fit it into these vibrant clamps.
Brand new blow off valve.
Flange
in.
These are those vibrant quick disconnect clamps. They're the most priciest thing out there, but they're pretty cool. So.
So that takes in place like the coupler?
Yeah, then you have no coupler, it's just solid. Absolutely solid.
So you would recommend these Vibrant quick release clamps to everyone,
I
right?
would recommend these Vibrant quick release clamps made by Vibrant. As you can see here, it says Vibrant. Great stuff.
Hey Vibrant, sponsor us, thanks.
Thank you, Vibrant. So this blow-off valve comes off of a 1946 turbo diesel Massey Ferguson. Wow. Absolute wow. Okay, should I install this even though we gotta powder coat all this?
You wanna see how it looks, sure?
So you gotta have that context. Everyone loves context. The thing about me is I'm always out of context.
Wow, are these the vibrant crickly things?
Oh, and I just dropped one too. Oh, that's not bad. They are.
And then they're made out of stainless steel.
What do they identify as?
Didn't know work.
An amazing piece of automotive tool.
Okay,
I
imagine
don't
being
know.
at the track and have a spare pin, you lose it. Get a cotter pin!
What are we doing to your RX7?
We're giving up. We're gonna out. No, I can't even say it.
Yeah, this is for sale, raffled, 10 bucks, come get it.
Yeah, we're gonna swap in something with
An LS3.
with a lot more. Nothing. No.
Aren't we just doing the splitter?
Yeah, we're gonna do a splitter.
It's not even carbon fiber, it's just gonna be foam.
Splitter, I just made it.
Do something like this. You look on the inside of the tape line.
Nice.
Down here, somewhere, right here.
Is that the actual core you want to use?
Yeah.
What?
What's going on?
We're gonna finalize the layout.
And what is this?
We're gonna make a splitter for well, my FD. Core is gonna be Core Cell M80. It's a really nice product. It's very easy to work with, easy to cut down, and once you get carbon on either side of it, it's very, very rigid. So that'll be good. Just need to square the thing off and make a grid so that whatever I do with the bumper, that everything ends up being symmetrical, and then we can make it.
So how'd you mess up again? You wanna explain to camera?
Derek was doing most of the layout and then I took over, but we didn't have a whole lot of overlap. We didn't get to spend a lot of time together. So I realized after the side that I mirrored off of here that he actually left this corner here on purpose. He's probably trying to match the canard profile. So I'm going to cut this side that way and I'll extend that one back. I went to here.
Oh yeah.
I cut it to there, and he wants me to put this corner in here. And that's easy enough, we'll add it in. So what we can do, we can match that up exactly. I've started the fix here. Now I just have to find a way to figure out what that angle was, what that curvature was, how far it came out, and copy it. So you just have to determine a way to measure off the baseline how far that goes. Try using this again. This is where I'm going to extend the core. I'm going to use a little bit of this 3M here from that point to this point. I'm just going to spray a little bit of adhesive on here. This is a contaminant in an epoxy system. You don't really want it on your face, but I've got multiple layers of carbon, and yeah, in this case, it's not going to be a problem. I did this edge already, and this is going to hold our repair in position until I have time to actually put some epoxy on it. Saying don't use them, just always knowing that you are never going to blow off a coupler ever is seriously worth a lot of peace of mind, especially when I've blown up couplers before. So you know, it really is just bulletproofing a car.